YouTube tips and tricks for Android. In this video, I'm going to show you some YouTube tips and tricks. So what you just need to do is, first of all, open your YouTube app on your Android phone or your iOS phone. So once you're through with that, just go over to where we have the YouTube icon here. Then click on the settings tab. If you want to change the double tap session of your YouTube videos, just go over to general, then scroll down to where you have the double tap to seek. You can see that here on my screen here. Once you click on that, you can change it either to 20 seconds, 30 seconds, 60 seconds, and that's one of the tips you can do on YouTube. Another tip is for you to be able to, let's say if you want to change the video quality of your video, what you just need to do is scroll back and go back to the video quality preferences. Then click on that, be able to see and change the video quality that you want for your videos. Now another one I want to show you is how you can be able to change the location. So once you're on this page here, you just have to go to the general again, then scroll down to the location and click on location. If I change my location now here to United States, and once I'm through changing the location, if I scroll back, then when I refresh my YouTube, let me scroll back and show you. Once my YouTube page loads up again, you're going to see I'm going to get different sections of videos that are being shown to people that are in the location I've selected already. In the next video, I'm going to show you most of the YouTube tips or also tricks that you can equally use.